After that, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the ruler of Abu Dhabi at that time, decided that it is the time that we should become a strong single country. So he proposed this idea of formation to the ruler of Dubai, Sheikh Rashid Al Maktoum, who was the father of current ruler of Dubai. So he also liked that idea because during the same years, like in 1966, Dubai also discovered the oil. In 1958, Abu Dhabi also discovered the oil as well, and which is around 22 billion barrels. And because of Abu Dhabi, UAE is considered as the fifth largest oil exporter in the world, and Dubai has oil of around 3.7 billion barrels, and which is going to be dried up around 2035. So, the ruler of Dubai, Sheikh Rashid, also liked that idea of formation, and together they invited the other rulers of the neighboring Emirates, including Qatar and Bahrain as well. In the beginning, it was a union of 9 Emirates, but the Qatar and Bahrain decided to remain independent. And after several meetings, it was decided because Abu Dhabi is the strongest, largest emirate, so that is why the most important position of the country, which is called the presidentship, will stay with Abu Dhabi. So whoever becomes the ruler of Abu Dhabi is considered as the president of the country. Dubai was the second strongest and the second largest emirate, so it was decided that Dubai will hold two important positions: the vice president and the prime minister of the country. And the rest of the emirates, their rulers are part of the Supreme Council. So they are also taking part in the decision making of the country. So this is how they are ruling their country. But the most interestingly, the most unique part of this country is there are 7 different emirates and there are 7 different rulers on each emirate. And they are called family ruling system. So every emirate they have a different family, except Ras Al Khaimah and Sharjah. Both of these emirates are ruled by the same family, which is called Qasmiya family. And Dubai is ruled by Al Maktoum, the Maktoum family, and Abu Dhabi is ruled by Al Nahyan family. And both of these families belong to the same tribe, which is called Bani Yas. This is the creek which is passing from there, and the bridge you see at the back side of this building, that is called Donlands Bridge, which is a copy of London Bridge. Okay, and the creek was actually converted into canal in 2016, like it was artificially extended to enter into the sea again. That is why the creek water is continuously revolving around the sea. Alright, so but whenever you come to Dubai, you always know two cities, Dubai and Abu Dhabi, because these two cities are famous for the tourist attractions. But the other emirates are also working on the tourism part as well. If you want to see the natural landscape, you can also see the Al Furqan part of the Sharjah as well. You can also go to the Ras Al Khaimah as well to see the mountains as well. But normally, Dubai is very famous for the tourism, exhibitions, business opportunities, and now the real estate as well. And after that, a lot of people also visit Abu Dhabi as well, because Abu Dhabi has also so many tourist attractions as well, and they are also working on more attractions as well. But Abu Dhabi is the capital, so they also have very interesting museums as well, especially on the district of this is called a cultural district on Saadiyat Island. There are around like 6 to 7 museums. For every museum has its own uniqueness and specialties. Especially if we talk about Louvre Museum from France, so that is also a very beautiful museum. There are some new museums which have recently opened, especially Sheikh Zayed National Museum, National History Museum as well. Which these two museums have recently opened in the month of December 2025. So they are also adding more tourist attractions because by 2030. Hello.
हेलो हाँ सर मेरा सर मेरा बात
Which the direction which we are driving, we are going towards Abu Dhabi. If you go to opposite direction, then you will enter into the Sharjah. Okay, and Dubai, Abu Dhabi is around 130 kilometers from here. So it will take around 90 minutes to reach. And Sharjah is only around 25 kilometers. And especially when you go to the border of Dubai and Sharjah, it is interconnected with each other. Like on the one side of the road is Dubai and the other side of the road is Sharjah. So they are connected with each other. Then Sharjah is connected with Ajman, then Ras Al Khaimah and Fujairah is the other 4 emirates. So these 7 emirates make this country United Arab Emirates. If we talk about Dubai, so we had a lunch yesterday and we were on the bridge on the right hand side. If you did you see the creek yesterday? The guide showed you. Okay, so that was the place where the city took the birth, and that place is called Dubai Creek, and also it is called the Old Dubai and the heritage side of Dubai as well. So in 1833, there was a very famous pulse trader with who was called Sheikh Maktoum bin Badi Al Thani. So he actually migrated from Abu Dhabi with his tribesmen of around 800 people. And when he migrated to Dubai, Dubai was considered as a very small village. There were very few people used to live there, around 1500 to 2000 people. And when they learned that Sheikh Maktoum bin Badi Al Thani is migrating to Dubai, the people actually celebrated it and they welcomed him warmly because they knew that this person is very influential and he will create a market here. So actually it was happened and the market started to flourish in Dubai and Dubai started to become the part of trade route as well. And until 1930s they
हमारा ऑफिस अल वर्षा में है, इधर से नजदीक है, बोलो मुझे सब लोग पूछ रहे थे. We have our office here. Hi guys, this is Mall of Emirates. So from here, on the left side is Mall of Emirates marketing office for combination. इधर से 10 minutes. नहीं, Saturday is not working for me.
Today is extra working for you.
but it is very good to know that your workplace is located in Al Barsha. So by the next time if you come here, then you will know that where is your office. Who is working here? Oh, okay.
రైట్ సైడ్ లో బుర్జలారం 7 స్టార్ హోటల్.
Yeah, tomorrow you have a city tour, right? So we will see all of these attractions over there on the Jumeirah side. Don't worry about it.
You're with the Pulse Traders.
Yeah, we were discussing about the history of Dubai. So until 1930s, they used to do three kinds of businesses: pearl diving, fishing, and the boat building. And in 1930s, the Japan started to manufacture artificial jewelry. And after that, the worth of natural pearls started to decline, and that was the most difficult time period on the people of the Emirates. So they decided now it is the time we should focus on trading rather than pearl diving. So they started to focus on trade activities. They started to increase the market, and they lift off the taxes on the ships. And in 1952 they also dredged down the creek as well. So the big vessels and the big doors started to come on the docks of Dubai, and they also constructed the walls on the both sides of the creek. So in 1966, when they discovered the oil, so when they compared the oil of Dubai to Abu Dhabi, so Sheikh Rashid bin Said Al Maktoum said that actually delivered a statement which is